Hey guys, today let's learn how to add sounds onto your own Discord soundboard. So if you want to go ahead and add some sounds into your own Discord soundboard and you want to make these custom sounds, of course you don't really want to use the sounds that other people have already added to your Discord soundboard. And you also want to add your own. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add your own onto your Discord soundboard. Of course, what we need to do first is to basically go ahead and launch the Discord application. Let's go ahead and tap on, okay, so we are now seeing what the Discord application is. So basically, once you're already on your desired server, what I want you to do is to tap on your server settings, and that is going to be located in the top right corner of the screen. So let's just, or rather the top left. So let's tap on this drop down, and we should see the option to enter the server settings. Once you're already here, let's go ahead under the overview, and over here we have what we call the soundboard. So let's just tap on soundboard. Now, and as you see, we do have the option to access and also add custom sounds that anyone can use on this server. So in order for us to add a custom sound onto this soundboard, let's just tap on upload sound. And then from here, you can now choose and browse a file, or rather an MP3 file to upload onto your Discord soundboard. Let's actually browse one of those right now. And I'm going to choose from our music option right here. Let's tap on open. And in this case, this specific file type is not going to be supported. So what we need to do is to go ahead and choose another file that is going to be an MP3 file so that we could use this for this example. Okay. So once this is already done, let's go ahead now and shorten this onto our desired length. The file should be an MP3 and also up to 5 seconds max. So let's go ahead and shorten this and make it fit only 5 seconds. And once this is already done, we may now proceed with changing the file name and also removing this. Let's actually change the sound name rather to MJ. You could also choose in the related emoji, and let's choose maybe this triumph emoji. You could also set the sound volume. And now tap on upload once you're done. And it's now processing the sound, and that's how you guys could basically enter this sound onto your soundboard. You do have the 7 slots of 8 available now. Of course, if you want to go ahead and access some more slots, you do need some Discord Nitro members. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.